just go ahead over to your PDF file. For example, here I have a PDF file right here in my desktop. All right, I'm gonna get show more options and hit on properties. As you can see here, it is a PDF file. So what we're gonna do to the PDF file for us to be able to edit it on Canva, just tap and hold or click and hold your mouse, then move it to your Canva website. All right, wait for it to process. As you can see here, uploading one item. And there you have it. Just click on it. All right, and it will just load. Now what we're going to do here to edit the PDF is just click on the PDF itself, and you'll be able to see a ton of options right here. It could be text. We can go ahead and put some images right here on your PDF. Other tools, all right. For example, elements, if you want to put some lines right here, for example, this one, or like that. Click on the word, as many of us wanted to just edit the words and the PDF itself. Double click on it, you'll be able to delete the word or a sentence, and just go ahead and rewrite everything that you wanted in here. All right, if you want to copy, just hit on the duplicate right here. Go ahead and move that whatever you want. Elements, add an element. It could be stickers or whatever you want as well. It could be charts, for example, this one right here. Just use these points. Put a chart right here. All right. If you want a table, go ahead and put some tables right here for your PDF. Just move this one by using this tool. All right. Just double click on a space and go ahead and type in your data. For example, data 1, double click, data 2, and data 3. All right. That's basically how you edit a PDF on Canva. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.